on missions again. What do you reckon is behind here? The customer is absolutely freaking out big time. So let's have a quick look. What have we got in here? Something flapping apparently. I can't see anything. She says she's still moving. Let me get a torch. Look, I'm just looking in here. I'll be quiet. I don't want to. That bit. Can you see it? Ta-da! It's alright, my little fella. I'm going to get you out of there. No problem. Bless. Apparently it's been squawking like mad, this one. So put that back. Put you on pause. And here he is. Not impressed. This one is not impressed. So now, say hello to your audience. Say how you doing? And say goodbye to everybody. And I won't say thank you. I won't say thank you to you, and you don't have to say it to me. But it's nice to meet you. And off you go. Oh. And there he goes. Look at that. And he's gone.